Hey guys, welcome to the tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Lovo AI account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Lovo AI on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in the address lovo.ai and hit on enter. And over here guys, on the search result of Google, you can see there is the Lovo AI website on the first. Click over there, and this is the home page of Lovo AI guys. You can see, and at the top right corner of the screen you can see the sign in button available over here. Click on that sign in button, and then you'll be taken to the sign in page or the login page of Genie AI, which is the Genie AI, but it's the Genie Lovo AI, I guess. And with that being said guys, you can also continue to your Lovo AI directly with your Google account. If you click on this continue with Google button, you'll be taken a login page to your Google account will open, and if you sign into your Google account over there, you'll be logged into your Genie AI account with your Google account, or you'll be signed into your Lovo account with your Google account. And with that being said, let's enter our email address for a manual login guys. And after that, enter your password with which you have registered an account on Lovo AI. But guys, if you have forgotten your password, you can always retrieve or reset your account's password from over here where it says forgot password. If you click on the forgot password button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you'll be able to retrieve your Lovo AI account's password depending upon your credentials. And with that being said guys, after entering your email address and your password, simply click on login, and then you'll be signed into your Lovo AI account online on your computer. And guys, this is how you log into your Lovo AI account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.